podcast.
You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Brenda. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Tuesday after emerging market fears eased and economic data came out higher than expected. The greenback ended the day at 1.3517 to the euro and 101.63 to the yen. Today's data includes ADP employment change, which is expected to fall to 195,000 in January. Next to the euro fell on Tuesday after Eurozone producer prices show muted inflation and Spanish unemployment increased by 113,000 in January, dialing back hopes of an economic recovery. The single currency ended the day at 1.3517 to the dollar and 137.39 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone Composite and Services PMI for January. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday after construction PMI beat expectations, rising instead of falling and coming out at 64.6 from 62.1 previously. Sterling ended the day at 1.6324 to the dollar and 0.8279 to the euro. Today's data includes services PMI in January and official reserves. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after emerging market fears eased and a rise in global risk appetite reduced safe haven flows. The Japanese currency ended the day at 101.63 to the dollar and 165.90 to the pound. Today's data includes figures showing foreign financial asset purchases by Japanese investors in the week ending 31st January and by foreign investors buying Japanese assets in the same period. And now the section you have been waiting for, markets tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.377 with targets at 1.3715 and 1.3695 in extension. Above 1.377, which is look for further upside with 1.379 and 1.383 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6705 with targets at 1.6635 and 1.6661 in extension. Above 1.6705, which is looking for further upside with 1.6725 and 1.6076 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 101.9 with targets at 102.4 and 102.6 in extension. Below 101.9, which is look for further downside with 101.7 and 101.5 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Brenda and you have been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.